it works so well that when you're running or cycling. You still get a little bit of noise, but...
Hey guys, welcome back and happy 2023. Yes, it is February. Yes, it is almost March, and I am sorry that it's taken me so long to get this first video of the year out to you. But here are 5 creative goals for you to take forward for the rest of the year. So if you haven't already set yourself any goals for the year, this video is going to be really important for you. It might help you just think, what can I do differently in 2023? So without further ado, here is goal number 1. So goal number 1 is about investing in yourself. You might be thinking, how do I invest in myself as a creative? Well, there are a multitude of areas that you can think about doing this. It can be as simple as improving or updating your website. It could be trying to find a new course to take to try and improve a certain area, whether that's photography, videography, blog writing, YouTube, like I'm doing today. Oh, I need to get better at YouTube, don't I? I need to be more consistent. That's what I need to be. That is a big goal for me, being more consistent. But it is crucial to try and think about, especially when there's times where you've got the space to do it, try and just improve yourself, try and get better in whatever aspect that you are into as a creative. So it is crucial that you try and invest in yourself to try and get those new opportunities that aren't already there for yourself. Who knows? A blog post could lead to a new client. Let's get onto the bike.
Right, I'm going to apologise for the first bit of this next goal because although it is beautifully sunny today in the UK, it's the first time I've seen the sun here, in particular in about 3 weeks, but it is really windy, so sorry if you can't hear me. But goal number 2 is to try and set yourself a fitness related goal. Now we're all kind of busy in our lives, all got different things going on. It can be very stressful, I know, and especially with creatives, you end up being awake into the early hours in the morning. So for me in particular, I'm going to set myself a very specific and measurable fitness related goal by trying to get to about 2,000 miles on the bike, which for if you're a pro cyclist and you're watching this, 2,000 miles is not very much, but you know, getting your business off the ground, having a young family, doing this on the side, 2,000 miles I think is quite achievable. So I've set that goal in the last couple of years and never actually reached it, but this year I want to give it a good crack. So 2,000 miles on the bike. Now you can do this in any form you want to, really, whether that's a running goal, swimming goal. You can even walk. Walking is a really good form of fitness, especially if you walk early in the morning or do your exercise early in the morning. You know, you get those endorphins fired up, release any stress that you've got in your body, and just start the day off right. But yeah, try and set yourself some fitness goals because, you know, as I said, life could be stressful. Fitness is a great form of mental health reliever, and for me, I sometimes neglect it. So it's going to be a big goal for me, and it's a goal that I recommend highly for you guys to set yourselves as well. Let me know in the comment section below what your goal, your fitness related goal, is going to be this year, and whether you think I'm going to achieve 2,000 miles or not. Let me know.
So I'm back in the office now when we're going to move on to goal number 3, and that is networking. I'm going to talk about collaboration in a future goal in this video, but I'm going to separate the two of them as we can talk about them in a slightly different light. So with networking in 2023, it is really important that you either can attend industry events or join a creative community. These are both areas that I myself can really improve upon and I will get better at in years to come. But join industry events. So in particular for me, I do a lot of work with cycling, so going to bike shows, going out to different places and meeting new people, not necessarily working with them initially, but just getting to know people, get your name out there, and hope that those opportunities will eventually come. So, vitally important to try and network. LinkedIn is another great place to try and get to know people. If you're not on LinkedIn, easy to do, free to set up, get yourself on there, start trying to find people in your niche, your area of work. So, with that being said, we're not going to talk about collaboration next, but we're going to move on to goal number 4. So moving on to goal number 4 now, and that is helping and supporting others. This is a huge one for me. I think this comes from my career as a swimming coach and just wanting to help people be the best versions of themselves. Ultimately, this is the purpose of me doing a YouTube channel as well, so that I can give you information, free information, to help you improve as a creative, a photographer, a hobbyist, whatever you want to be or are, and just make you guys better at what you do. And who knows, there could be someone that you help that then think, actually, I know a person that helped me out that I have the perfect job for, and they might reach out to you. Who knows? But it's really important that I think in the creative industry in particular that we are not fighting against each other, but we are supporting each other. And that way the industry as a whole can move onwards. So I think it's crucial in 2023 that this goal is imperative to what you do as a creative this year. And it might be that you have someone locally that you know might want some work, or you actually need something done for yourself, and you can reach out to that local person and ask for their help. You know, whether that's website building or SEO or getting photos for your website in particular, and that's going to be on the next goal. So why don't we move on to it now? And again, step 4, help others, support others. Really, really important. Let's go to Cheddar Gorge.
Here it is. No nostril shots this time. Oh, there we go. always the nostril shot.
One eternity later.
Alrighty, take 5, goal number 5. Collaborate more and support others. I'm here with Dan Vento, who's doing his stuff right now. He's been getting some photos for me and my website today. And yeah, we're here in Cheddar Gorge. Beautiful scenery. Been to Stockhill Woods as well. I put some photos that Dan's taken of me today here as well. And yeah, collaborate more, because you never know when either you might need some help with shoots, or the person that you're working with might need some help with shoots as well. It's also good to kind of pick their bones with certain technical stuff with cameras, etc, etc. And yeah, just supporting. As I said, Dan's doing some photos for me today for my website, and yeah, it's been an awesome day. It's freezing cold though, isn't it? Oh my god. Dan's got his all his video stuff on, so his hands are absolutely frozen.
Everything's cold.
My face is red, cold. So I'm looking forward to see what he does with the skin tones. Do a better job than me. But he's been painting me like one of his French girls today with his camera. And you might see a little clip of him with an upshot of his nostrils. But yeah, goal number 5, just make an effort to collaborate more and support each other more, because at the end of the day, it might help your business grow. So yeah, back to the office.
So I hope you found those 5 goals useful. If you haven't written any down for yourself yet this year, it is never too late. Try and get them done when you can. It is really important as a creative or a creative industry as a whole to have goals written down, mainly as a reminder to what you've written down, and try and tick some of those off as you go through the year. If you have any comments on any of the goals that I've discussed in the comments section, or if you'd like to talk about what goals you've got for this year, you can leave them in that comment section below. I'm going to try and be a bit more consistent on this channel now a video every week or every 2 weeks, depending on how busy work is. But until the next video, I'll see you in the next one. Dan, you getting some bangers?
That's nice.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Ooh, yeah.
I like it.
I try.
Yeah. I was just saying to Dan how I hate scripting and I hate going off the cuff as well at the same time. You just can't win with YouTube.